Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Hello my students, how are you today? Okay, we have English and our listeners, Unit 1, How old are you? Rhythms and Sounds, page number 4. My name is Badr Swedan, with me teacher Fawaz Al-Aqil. Okay, what you will learn today, what is the objective of the lesson? So we have two objectives. You will learn how to chant 10 little camels and say the numbers from 1 to number 10. Okay, now before we start, let's make a revision for the last class. Okay, number 1, listen and say. Do you remember we have a teacher here and we have two students here? Okay, so the teacher says what? How old are you? What does mean how old are you? Yes, how old are you? I am, for example, 7 years old. Excellent. Or I am 8 years old. That's right. Excellent. Okay, so how old are you? The first student here says what? I'm 9 years old. I'm 9 years old. Excellent. And the second student here says what? I'm 10 years old. So this student is older than this student. So older than this. So this is 9 and she is for 9 years old. So again, how old are you? I'm 9 years old. I'm 10 years old. Okay. Number 2, practice the talks in pairs. You can ask and the other person will respond to your question. So you can say what? How old are you? Ask your brother or ask your friend, okay? So ask them, how old are you? And they will say what? I am, for example, 10 years old, or I am 15 years old, or I am 20 years old, any number. It's what? Your age, عمرك. Excellent. Okay. Again, act out the talks in pairs, okay? So the other person will ask you, okay? So they will say what? How old are you? And you will answer what? I am what? For example, here I'm 9 years old. And how old are you? Yes, I'm, for example, 7 years old. Excellent. Or I am 8 years old. That's right. Excellent. Okay. Now, we have fun time. Number 4, how old are you? Quickly ask 3 people. You can ask 3 people, 3 of your friends or 3 members of your family. Okay, so you can say what? How old are you? And they will say, each one will say what? I'm blank years old. So they can say what? I am 9 years old. I'm 8 years old. I'm 7 years old. Any number of their age. Okay, now we have grammar toolbox here. It's the same as it is. You can say it's or it is. Okay. Also, you can say am or I am. Am 9 years old or I am 9 years old. Okay. So you can say am or I am. Also, you can say it's or it is. Okay. Both are correct. Excellent. Okay. Now, goal 25, we took number 1, listen and practice, trace. So we have 2 people here. The first one says what? How old are you? How old are you? And the other person says what? I am. Yes, can you tell me what is this? I am what? 10. Yes, I am 10 years old. Excellent. And again, the first one says what? I am what? What is this number? Yes, 9. So I am 9 years old. Okay, then we will what? Trace. What does it mean trace? Yes, use your pen or pencil and write over the words here. Okay, so let's write and trace here. H, capital H, O, W, O, L, D. How old? Then we have R, A, R, E. Then we have U, Y, O, U. And we have a question mark here. So, how old are you? Okay, so The other person says what? I'm 10 years old. So let's trace. So I apostrophe M 10 T E N years Y E A R S, and we have old O L D, and we have a full stop. Okay, now again I'm 9 years old, so we have I apostrophe M 9 like this, N I N E, then we have years like this, Y E A R S, old, and we have a full stop. Okay, can you tell me what does mean years? Years, what does mean years? Okay, we have 9 years, 10 years. What does mean years? Sanawat, excellent. So we have years. How old are you? Maybe 7 years old, 8 years old. Okay, so you can say years here. Excellent. Okay, now we have number 2, trace and write. Can you tell me what is this letter? Yes, this is what? Y, excellent. So we have Y here, and this is capital Y. Okay, so let's trace first of all. Let's start from line number 1 to line number 3 like this, and we have a line like this. Okay, again Y like this. So this is Y in capital form. Let's write it 2 more times like this, and we have a line like this. And we have a line to line number 3. So this is Y. And you pronounce it as yeah in the word. Okay? Like what? Like in yard. Like in what? Baby. Okay? So you have yeah here. Okay. Now, goal 26, we took listen and practice. Say your age. Okay? How old are you? This is your age. Okay, then trace. So we have now 2 people here. The first one says what? How old are you? And the other person says what? I am 10 years old. Excellent. Let's trace. So we have capital H here, O, W. Then we have old, O, L, D, R, A, R, E. Then we have you like this. And notice here we have Y here, and I pronounce as what? As yeah, you. Okay. After that we have this person says what? So we have I, capital I, apostrophe M. Then we have 10 years, and we have old. And we have full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, now we have a pyramid here, and the pyramid says what? I'm 3,000 years old. I am what? 3, say it with me. What's the number? 3,000. Thousand. Excellent. So we have I'm 3,000 years old. Not 3 years, not 30, not 300, 3,000 years. Okay, so he's what? It's what? It's old, very old. Okay, so this is the pyramid, and you can find it in where? In Egypt. Yes, excellent. Okay, now write your age. Your age. Okay, so if you want to say your age, you will say what? I'm what? How old are you? 7. Excellent. So I'm 7 years old. You can say I'm 7 years old. If you're 8, you will say what? I'm 8 years old. Excellent. Okay. Now we have a letter here. Can you tell me what is this letter? This is what? The letter Z. Oh, excellent. Or Z. Z or Z. You can say one of them. So this is capital Z, and let's trace first of all, starting from line number 1 to line number 3 like this. Again, trace like this. Okay, now let's write it 2 more times. Z like this. And for the last time, this is the Z. Okay, now let's start our lesson. Okay, what you will learn how to chant 10 little camels and say the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay, now, rhythms and sounds, page 4. So, open your book on page 4. Page 4. Page number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, number 4. Okay, now, can you tell me what is this animal? We have an animal here, okay? What is this animal? Yes, this is what? A camel. Excellent. So we have a camel. Camel, okay? So we have a camel here. How many camels do you have here? We have only one camel. So this is a camel. One camel. Excellent. Okay, now we have number 1 question. Listen and chant. Listen and chant. Okay, now can you tell me how many camels do we have here? We have one. Okay, we have one camel. Oh, we have another one here. So we have how many? We have 2. 1, 2 camels. Okay, if you talking about plural, not one, plural, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you will add s. Camel, camels, camel, 1 camel, 2 camels. Okay, so we have 1, 2 camels. Oh, we have another one here. So how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 camels. Excellent. Okay, now we have another one here. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 camels. Excellent. Oh, so we have now another one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So we have 5 camels. Oh, now we have another one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 6. Yes, we have 6 camels. Okay, now we have another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. So we have 7 camels. Okay, now we have another one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we have 8 camels. And also we have another one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. We have 9. But also we have another one here. So let's count it again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So we have 10 camels. We have how many? 10 camels. So we have 10 little camels. Okay? So we have camels, but those camels are what? Little. Okay? Not big, little camels. So we have 10 little camels. Okay? So let's chant this. So first of all, this is the camel, and we have how many? We have 10. Okay? So 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels. Again, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels. Excellent. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little camels. Excellent. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little camels. 10 little camels here. Excellent. Okay, let's read it again. So 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little camels. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little camels. 10 little camels here. Excellent. Okay, let's write it for one more time. Okay, one more time. So say it with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little camels. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little camels. 10 little camels here. Excellent. Okay. Now, what we will do, we will what? Delete number 5. So, don't say 5. Don't say 5. Okay. Now, let's chant again. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels. 4 little, 7 6 little camels. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little camels, 10 little camels here. Excellent. Okay, now what we'll do, we will delete number, what is this? 8. Excellent. So we will delete. Don't say 8. Don't say what? 8. Let's chant. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little camels, 7 little, 9 little camels, 10 little camels here. Excellent. That's good. Excellent. Okay, now we have number 2. Listen and say. Listen and what? And say. Okay, now we have 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Say it with me. 1, 1, 1. Excellent. Again, 1, 1, 1. Excellent. Okay, what about this number? Yes, we have 2, 2, 2. Again, 2, 2, 2. Excellent. For the last time, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. Excellent. What after that? We have 3. Excellent. So we have 3. So we have 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Excellent. For the last time, 3, 3, 3. Excellent. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Excellent. After that, we have 4. Excellent. So we have 4, 4, 4. Say it with me. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Excellent. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. What after that? We have 5. Excellent. So 5, 5, 5. Again, 5, not 5. No, 5, 5. Okay. So again, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Excellent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. What after that? We have what? 6. Excellent. So we have 6. So 6, 6, 6. Again, 6, 6, 6. For the last time, 6, 6, 6. Excellent. So we have number 6 here. Okay. After that, we have what? We have 7. Excellent. That's right. So we have 7, not 7, 7, 7. So we have 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Excellent. So we have 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So we have 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Excellent. What after 8? We have 9. Excellent. So we have 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. And the last number here is what? 10. Excellent. So we have 10. 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. Perfect. Okay. So what you've learned today, how to chant 10 little camels, say the numbers from 1 to 10. So this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.